Check out this Kia 2017 Cadenza Premium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Avo 3 audio system, AM/FM MP3, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC, rear window defroster and power driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.